So hang up and hustle the other feeling. I'm sorry if you're not attracted to the others. Cause I've been so long, so long. Yeah. 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 Cause I've been sorry to forgive me for you know that I'm always sinning. Take no one just party in my liquor fucking nemesis. Excuse my language, that's a hang up and hustle the other feeling. Sorry, I feel no attraction.